The foundation for the ARMG crane lines begins with the careful placement of the base rock layer. Formwork is set, followed by rebar installation, and then concreting is done to create the strong base necessary for the crane rails. The next critical step involves installing crane rail accessories, including sole plates, anchor boxes, and securing them with high-grade nuts and bolts. These components will ensure stability and alignment for the crane rails. Grouting is then carried out beneath the sole plates and anchor boxes using special high-strength grout. Once the grouting is complete, the rail lines are carefully positioned onto the prepared foundation. Precise placement is critical for the smooth operation of the ARMG cranes. To ensure a perfectly even surface, the rails are leveled, followed by the thermal welding of the rail joints. This highly specialized task is performed by trained professionals, ensuring seamless, durable connections between the rail segments. After welding, rigorous testing is conducted on the joints to verify their strength and integrity, ensuring the ARMG cranes can operate smoothly and safely. The final step involves bringing the ARMG cranes to the site. After arriving by ship, the cranes are carefully unloaded onto temporary rail paths, where they are dragged and placed onto the newly constructed ARMG lines.